Once upon a time, there lived two cats near a village. They were close friends. They played together, slept together, and went everywhere together. The two cats went for the search of food. They found a loaf of bread. They both wanted the bread as they were very hungry. They began to fight over it. One cat said, I found it first, it's mine. Another cat said, No, I found it first, give it to me. A monkey in the tree, seeing them fighting, said to himself, It will be great if I get that bread, it looks yummy. He came to the cat and said, Friends, why are you quarreling? I will settle your fight. Both the cats agreed to his proposal. The monkey split the bread into two uneven pieces. One piece was large and the other piece was small. Then he ate a portion from the larger piece, but this made the other piece larger, so it took a bite from the other piece. Likewise, the monkey ate the whole loaf of bread. It climbed back the tree, laughing at the cats. Two foolish cats couldn't able to eat anything. So kids, what have you learned from the story? When you quarrel, someone else gains. When two people fight, the third one always gets a profit. So, we must learn to share what we have. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe the video.